Hi friends, today you're going to learn how to spot or how you can test the real gold jewelry. Pwede nyo tong gawin sa bahay or while checking in the shop before buying the fine pieces you want. So the first one is the hallmark test. A hallmark test on jewelry, particularly in gold, is the way to verify its authenticity and purity by examining the markings or hallmarks stamped on it. So these hallmarks indicate the gold's purity level, and it can also include information. So eto talaga yung pinaka-favorite kong test kasi you can use your mobile, you can zoom in sa camera ng mobile mo and you can check the details and the hallmarks sa jewelry. Isa itong assurance para makita natin kung ilang karat, sino gumawa, and some indicates gemstone size ng particular pieces. Please note some fine jewelry may mga authenticity card or notes na kasama. By the way, I've been selling handpicked fine jewelry for 15 years and I've been doing this aside from, of course, buying it from reputable sources abroad, particularly in Hong Kong. The second one is the magnetic test. So a jewelry magnet test is a quick way to assess if a piece of jewelry is likely true or fake by checking for magnetic attraction. Gold, silver, and other precious metal are not magnetic. So if the magnet is thick or dumikit sa jewelry, it's likely contain other metal like iron or nickel, and it's not pure. However, there is a flaw on this test kasi some fake jewelry uses non-magnetic metals like copper or stainless steel, and some real gold items may contain magnetic alloys in their clasp. Like for example, yung mga quintas, usually yung clasp niyan are magnetic if you can notice or observe. So here, if you can see, I'm trying to use it to my earring here that is not gold. Ayan, makikita niyo, talagang dumidikit siya sa magnet. Unlike with the other, like the silver, silver pearl earring and the gold ring sa kabila na talagang non-magnetic siya. So this is one way also to check if you have a real gold jewelry or not. So isang procedure lang to, but you have to do other factors, of course, other checking. So let's be aware that nowadays, especially nowadays, ang daming mga scammer. Real gold really have value. So talagang may presyo siya. It's the way for others to grab the opportunity to fool other person or other buyer. So these simple steps hopefully may help you para kahit papano ma-check nyo kagad kung totoo o hindi yung jewelry na gusto nyong bilhin. So let's move to the next one, yung scratch test or jewelry ceramic plate test. So this one, the jewelry ceramic plate test, is also known as a scratch test. It's a simple method to check if a piece of jewelry is made of real gold. It involves gently rubbing the jewelry against the unglazed ceramic plate or tile. True gold piece will leave a golden or yellowish streak, while a fake or gold-plated item may leave a dark or black streak. So I done this at home. I have here the fake earring. So i-scratch mo lang gently sa ceramic plate and we can check the streak kung anong kulay lalabas yung streak. As you can see here, I'm trying to rub it gently in the ceramic plate para talagang makita ko kung totoong lalabas yung kulay. At ayan, as you can see, parang darker siya or like black. Basta darker yung kulay niya. So now, I have the another one. This one is a real gold. Medyo old to, 9K real gold. I will try also to rub this piece dito naman sa kabilang side. So as you can see, I'm trying to rub it para makita ko yung difference. So here you can see it's like yellow. Ayan, yellow versus darker. So I think this test also true as per this actual presentation. So these are the quick and easy tests you can do at home para ma-check nyo or verify nyo yung mga jewelry nyo kung totoo o hindi. I hope this helped you in any way. So please like and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.